Hey ASP, this is Nas, and you're tuning into Creating with Nas. Today we will be doing a tutorial on my style of graffiti, so let's check it out. So before we start, the first things we need are pencils. Well, one, but I like to have 2 or 3 just because I like to be over prepared. Piece of paper, and if you have some, like some markers, doesn't have to be Sharpie, markers or colored pencils. To give you a quick definition of what graffiti is a type of art that is usually in the form of writing or drawing, usually scribbled or scratched, and sometimes spray painted. Today, I will be drawing ASP, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to start with the A. So right now I'm drawing the outer body of the A. Now I'm moving to the legs. I'm moving to the second leg. And there's the full body. So the big thing for me when I'm drawing graffiti is the shape and the angles of the letters. So when I say angles, I'm thinking about each point of the letter and how they're kind of going off in their own direction, and also the shape. So you can either do block letter like graffiti or bubble letters, and I'm doing the block letter today. Now I'm going to start doing the S's. Next, I'm going to start drawing the S. Right now, each letter looks a little light, and I do that just because I want to first get the shape of the letters down on the paper, and then I'll go back around on each letter and make it a little sharper. Now we're finally going to draw the P. So first we're going to start with the outline. Now we're going to do the circle. Like that. And then we're going to bring it down like that. Make this more circle-like. Then we can add the window. Like that. Now with this red Sharpie, I'm going to outline the letters. To see how to add shadows and another set of outlining, tune into the next Creating with Nas graffiti tutorial.